Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Vamsi Krishna. So today I'm going to tell you about the commerce paper that's going to be the intermediate first year commerce paper. 10 marks important questions. Important questions regarding the 10 marks weightage, friends. I request and I suggest all the students to watch the video especially completely so that you can get an idea what kind of questions will definitely may appear regarding intermediate first year's commerce subject. Commerce is very important subject, friends. To get a good marks above 90 plus, you need to understand the commerce. The key success in getting good marks in the public examinations in the subject commerce, that is, you need to practice first point and you need to understand the concept of the commerce subject. Understanding is very important in the commerce paper, friends. In this we are going to discuss about 10 marks important questions for the year 2021 IPE, TS and AP. It's going to be intermediate first year commerce paper. Inter first year commerce paper, 10 marks important questions 2021 IPE. The first and what are the important questions may appear in the public examinations, you need to know. The first one, what is memorandum of association? Very important question. This question is very important questions. May appear in the public examinations regarding 10 marks. 10 marks weightage is very important to get a good marks in the public exams. Memorandum of association. Differentiate between private company and public company. Distinguish between private company and public company. Memorandum of association. Very important, friends. You need to distinguish what is a private company, what is a public company. And determine the selection of source of finance. First, you need to understand the meaning of the finance. What is a finance? What are the sources of finance? And what are the features of finance? What is the meaning of finance? What is the concept of finance? You need to understand what is a private company? What is a public company? What is a memorandum of association? You need to understand the meaning. Practice is only the thing. Practice, understanding the meaning, the finance, what is the meaning of finance, public company, what is the private company, what is the meaning of company, what is the meaning of public, what is the meaning of private, all those things you need to understand, you need to learn perfectly. So one of the most important, memorandum of association, differentiate between private company and public company, and determine the selection of sources of finance and features of cooperative society is very important question. It may come in the 5 marks or 10 marks, but one of the most important questions in which we are going to discuss here is going to be features of cooperative societies. What is a cooperative society? What is the meaning of cooperative society? Define MNC. Explain the features of MNC. Sources of short-term finance. What is the sources of short-term finance? Different types of partners. What is a partner? What is the meaning of partner? What is a partner? Different types of partners. Short-term finance. Sole proprietorship. Sole proprietorship. What is a business? Why we use the business? Define business. What is the meaning of business? What is the concept of business? All those things you need to understand. If you understand the meaning of the question, first try to understand what is the meaning of memorandum of association. Private company, public company, finance, sources of finance. Sole proprietorship is one of the important questions. What is MNC? If you understand the commerce subject, definitely I can say that you can get above 95 plus in the public examinations regarding the commerce intermediate first year. And if you want to know more questions, not only this, these are one of the most important, not only these questions, to know more questions, just refer the previous model exam papers, you can get it from the bookshop itself. You can get a perfect idea of what kind of questions may appear. So finally, if you like my video, please try to subscribe my channel and click on bell icon so that you will get my updated next videos. Thank you so much.